Hello everybody, welcome to RPL Youth Service YouTube channel or IGTV. In this project, we're going to make a pom-pom launcher or catapult. It's really easy to make with only 4 ingredients: is pom-pom, plastic spoon, rubber band, and popsicle sticks. Just stay tuned and let's get started on how to make it. So the supplies that you need is popsicle sticks. It can be a color one or the original one. You can put a marker and color it if you prefer. We need actually 9 of these, and then a plastic spoon like so, and then 5 rubber band, and then it's a pom-pom. But if you don't have a pom-pom, you can use ping pong balls or any kind of balls, or like fluffy one if you prefer. So it's totally up to you. Okay everybody, so first thing first is we're going to work with our popsicle sticks. So I use the skinnier one, but if you prefer to use the heavier one, the thicker one, you can use it, but it just depends on everybody their preferences. I also include the colored one, but if you like to color it yourself or if you like to draw something, you can do it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick together all these popsicle sticks. It should be, I'm going to use 7 of them, but it's really up to you. It depends like how tall or how short you want your catapults to be. So it can be you can use 6 popsicles, so more than 7 if you like your catapult to be taller. So okay, once you have 7 of them together or 6 of them, and then I'm going to put the rubber band on one end like so. Make sure it's tight and secure so it doesn't move at all, like so. Okay, and then you pick another rubber band to tie it on the other end like so. Okay, so you should have something like this, right? So it's all tight and secure, so your popsicle did not move at all, like that. All right, and then the next thing is we're going to work with another 2 popsicle left. It's just 2 of them. You can draw it the same thing if you like. If you don't like to, that's fine, but if you want to use different color, that's also fine. So what you're going to do is you're going to take another rubber band and then secure it only on one end, not both ends, just one end. You will know why. All right, like that. Oh, I think it's not secure yet, so go back and tie it more. So it should be something like this. Okay, and then you take your plastic spoon that was given to you, or if you like more tight and secure, you can put another rubber band on one end, and then so you take another rubber band and then tie your plastic spoon into the popsicles like that. Make sure it's secure enough, like so. Okay, so what I was doing was I tied the spoon on the end of the popsicle so it has really a good grip, and then I tied the middle part of the spoon to only one popsicle, not to both of them, because we have to insert the one that has spoon onto the main popsicle that we have. So you should have something like this, so that, and then the grip. Okay, this is the most fun part, I think. Okay, let me put it down a little bit. All right, you should have something like this. And then what you want to do is you can put your pom-pom or your ball, if you have whatever object you have, and you can experiment with it. If you put something like a flattened object, what will happen to it? So yeah, let's try it then. Let's see. It's so hard with one hand, but let me try it real quick here. Oh, it's actually worked a little bit. So all right, I hope you have fun. If you have any question, let us know in the comment below. What need to be improved. If you use a flattened object, how it goes, and I hope you have fun experiment and enjoy our summer program. Thank you so much for watching.